Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change from screen lock PIN password to screen lock alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I show my password. Okay, here I lock my phone and try to unlock, and it is asking PIN. Okay, so my PIN is 1996. Okay. Click OK and it enters into the phone. Okay, now I would like to change this PIN to alphanumeric password, that is combination of letters and numbers. Okay, so what I have to do is just follow this video. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Okay, go to settings, then go to lock screen, go to lock screen here, and then click on screen lock type, and again it will ask your pattern for your PIN for confirmation. Okay, so give your current PIN 1996. Okay, click on continue, and here you have to choose password. Okay, instead of PIN, choose password and type any password for setting up a new one. Okay, so your password must contain at least 4 characters including at least 1 letter. Okay, minimum 4 characters should be there and minimum 1 letter should be there. Okay, so here just I type Pingy, Pinky, Pingy 4. Okay, and click on continue. Again type the same one. Okay, so same password you have to type. So type here Pingy 4. Okay, and click OK. Yes, now PIN lock is now removed and password lock is applied. Okay, now check, lock your screen and try to unlock. Okay, it will be asking your new set password. Okay, so what I set, I am going to give it. You should also give your own password. Okay, and click on done. Sorry, Pingy 5 I typed, actually I said Pingy 4. Okay, click on continue. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily set or change from PIN lock screen password to pattern lock PIN lock screen password to alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.